Hey, do you have any phobia in learning maths? Yes, this is the right place in front of you, School Coaching Point. So here I am going to teach you maths in a very systematic way. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the notification. Now let's move to the topic. Hey everyone, welcome back to School Coaching Point. So today in this video, we will discuss few questions from exercise 3.3, understanding quadrilateral from class 8. So in the last video, we have discussed few questions from 3.2. So today we will discuss few questions from exercise 3.3, understanding quadrilateral. So this is the first question, the parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, so number one property is what? Opposite angles are equal. So in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. This is the property number one. And in a parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. This is the property number two. Property number three, in a parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. So these two are adjacent angles having one common arm. So these two angles are known as adjacent angles. So in a parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. And the fourth one, in a parallelogram, diagonals are what? Bisect each other. Suppose A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. So here the diagonals AC and BD are the diagonals, and they are intersect at the point O. So we can say that diagonals are bisect each other. It means AO should be equals to OC, OB should be equals to OD. So these are some properties of the parallelogram. Now let's move to the main question. So this is the question in front of you, to find the value of X, Y, Z. So in this parallelogram, we know that the first property, opposite angles are equal. So we know that opposite angles are equal. It means angle A is equals to angle B. Opposite angles are equal. So from here, B means 100 degree. So it should be D. D equals to B. D equals to B. So D is Y and B is 100. So value of Y equals to 100 degree. So what is the first property? We are using opposite angles of a parallelograms are equal. So opposite angles, Y equals to B. That means Y equals to 100. Again, the third property of the parallelogram, that means the adjacent angles are supplementary. So here X and B, that means X and 100, these two angles are adjacent angle because they have the common arm BC. So here C and B are the adjacent angles. So according to the property, B and C should be what? Supplementary. So we know that adjacent, we know that adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So what is the meaning? Angle B plus angle C should be equals to 180 degree. So B is 100, C is X. So from here X equals to 180 minus 100 is equals to 80 degree. So what is the value of X? X is 80 degree. So after that we have to find out the value of Z. So it's very easy. So first property, we have to use the opposite angles of a parallelograms are equal. So we know that again, same property. Property 1, angle A equals to angle C. Opposite angles of the parallelogram. So we know that opposite angles of the parallelograms are equal. So from here A is Z. C, how much we get? C means X. So C is X means 80. So here Z is also 80. So this is the solution of the question. Find the value of X, Y, Z in the given figure. Now let's move to the next diagram. Here also same, we have to find the value of X, Y, Z. So in this given figure also, first of all, let us give the name ABCD. So in this given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram, and we know that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal, and here we are not using the property of the opposite angle. Now you can see in this given figure, AC and BD are the two diagonal bisect at the point O. Okay. Now angle AOD, this angle is 90 degree because this is a symbol of 90 degree angle. Since this angle is 90 degree, so obviously X is also 90 degree because these two angles are what? Vertically opposite angles. So here we can write in the given figure, X equals to 90 degree because vertically opposite angles, because we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So in this given figure, this is 90, it means X is also 90. Now we need to use the angle sum property of a triangle. Now in this given figure, BOC, so here in triangle BOC, so here BOC is a triangle, so we can use the angle sum property. So what are the three angles? X plus 30 plus Y equals to 180 degree, because we know that in a triangle sum of all the three angles is 180 degree. So X plus 30 plus Y is 180 degree. So X is 90, so 90 plus 30 plus Y is 180. So 90 plus 30 is 120 plus Y equals to 180. So from here Y equals to 180 minus 120 is equals to 60 degrees. So what is the value of Y? Y equals to how much we get is 60 degree. Yes. So X we get, Y also we know is 60 degree. Now we have to find the value of Z. So Z also we can easily find out. So since this is a parallelogram, so we can say that AD parallel to BC, because we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and equal. So AD, this is the side AD and BC are the parallel, that means these two sides are parallel, and CA, this is the side CA we consider as a transversal, CA transversal. So AD, this is AD is parallel to BC and CA is the transversal. If CA is the transversal, that means these two angles should be equal. So why they are equal? Because they are alternate interior angles. These two angles are alternate interior angles, and we know that for when the two lines are parallel, then the alternate interior angles should be equal in measure. So we can say that AD parallel to BC, CA transversal. So we can say that therefore Y equals to Z. So this is Y and this is Z. So it is interior alternate angles. So Y we know is 60 degree. So Z is also 60.